Most beginners in 3D make one big mistake. They focus on details before learning clean topology, and that's exactly why their models break. Hello everyone, my name is Costa Basu and I'm a 3D artist and also founder of Imperfect Mesh 3D Solution. Welcome to our new Maya beginner series where we build strong fundamentals like real production artists. This is phase 1 and in this phase we will learn about 3D modeling and today we start with something simple but extremely powerful. Lesson 1, Clean Topology Basics. Your exercise today is to model a simple coffee mug but with proper edge loops, clean quad topology and absolutely no triangles, because topology discipline is what separates hobby artists from professionals. If you want to work in gaming, VFX, clean topology, clean edge flow is non-negotiable. Today I will show you how to think like a production modeler. If you're serious about mastering 3D, subscribe and let's build this journey step by step. Let's open Maya and get started. Fine. So we are going to create a coffee mug today. And for that reason we need to search a coffee mug first. Search here coffee mug and we will get different kinds of mugs there. So let's select something simple but good one. Okay, let's go with this one only. Simple, easy to create and less time taking. Fine, so let's save this one. Okay, so we are having our image there. It's already saved. Press spacebar on keyboard, front view and view, image plane, import image, location please, pasting that one. Open this image here. Let's increase the scaling with R on keyboard, R to scale, W to move and E to rotate according to our axis. Like we are having 3 axes here, X, Y and Z. So X means sidewise, Z means front and back, Y means top and bottom. So let's scale this one from overall scaling, which is this yellow one. No need to scale from X or Y. We'll scale this from overall scaling, that is here. Just scale it and placing it towards up, moving back. Now let's build something. Before that we should save our scene, so just going to our scene setup, copy, paste, coffee mug, place a name and save. Okay, so we are having our image here and we need to create this mug on Maya. Okay, we are focusing on the basic shape. We don't create this one right now. Like this signature is something which we will do in our advanced classes or a few classes after. Fine, so for this time I am focusing on this shape. So it's basically a cylinder. Let's go with a cylinder. Under polymodeling there is a polygon cylinder. You can also create this cylinder from create polygon primitives, and there is sphere, cube, cylinder, etc. Okay, so let's take a cylinder from there. It came. Now first focus on the loops. As we know, right click, place the mouse on your shape and hold right click to get vertex, edge, object mode, face, whatever. Vertex mode, that means these points are vertex. Face mode, that means these are the faces, and the edge mode, that means these are the edges. Okay, so let's reshape this one. Okay, now if you want to make it more low poly, then go to channel box, and there you go, polycylinder 1. There you will see subdivision axis. By default it's 20. If you are going to select here and place the mouse, hold shift hold middle mouse, and then drag your mouse like this, you will get less polygon and high polygon poly counts like this. Or you can also place a number here, and that's it. Well, for that for this kind of cup, 20 is fair enough for now. Anyway, let's scale this one. Overall scaling, and placing overall shape like here, and pressing 4. That means wireframe mode. To see through your image from this model, you should use 4 on your keyboard. Okay, now let's switch off this grid button to get rid of from this these lines. Yep. Now I'm also switching off all those tabs which are not usable right now. For that reason, Windows UI elements and status line is okay with me. Shelf is also okay. Time slider, which is here, timeline, we don't need right now, so switch off. Range slider and command line, make it off. Fine. So we are having our viewport like this, and save it first. Control S. Then I need to add a few more edge loops to modify. First of all, vertex mode, and just holding these vertices. Okay, my symmetry mode was on here, so click and make it off. Then again select, scale down, move down with W. Again R to scale, W to move. Then lower part also, just make it here baseline, and scale a little bit to achieve this. So overall scaling. So scaling done. Now this bevel kind of thing we need to create. For that reason, come back to our perspective view. Okay, one thing, we are having our 4 viewports here, like top view, front view, side view, and perspective view. Like this view, pressing alt and middle mouse to pan around, pan around, pan around. But here on this view, press alt left mouse to rotate and look through your product. Now I'm pressing 5 here, and on this viewport, let's press spacebar to make it full viewport, full view. And again, here also I don't need this grid kind of thing right now. For that reason, off. Okay, now edge mode, and select this full edge by clicking twice on this edge loop. See, one click, that means one edge loop was selected. So it's like this, pressing W key to move. But double click on this edge, that means whole edge loop was selected now. Fine. So Control B to bevel, Control plus B to bevel, and now see, we're having a few options here: fraction and segments. More focus on fraction to get this distance and segments to increase these loops, edge loops. See, we're having our bevel point. Now to avoid this much of area, increase your fraction and you will see your cup is already it's coming. Now increase a few segments like this. Now why we are going to increase this segment part? Fine, so we're having a few points here, angular points here. To avoid those points, we should increase a little bit. This much is enough for me. It's properly curved and mostly like a cup. Fine, for now it's ready. Now we need to focus on the inner part. So for that reason, vertex mode, click on this vertex. It's green in color. Hold Control and right click. You will see delete vertex mode. So it means we don't have that point here right now. For now I need to select this face, Control E to extrude, R, scale inside, again overall scaling to get this thickness a little bit more. This much is enough. Now Control E again to get extrude inside, so it will go inside like this. Now press 4 and check out your inner point. Like we are having this area, we are on this area. Just scaling again once more, Control B and increasing our segments, fraction this much. Okay, now right click and go for object mode. Press 5 on your keyboard. Now see, we don't have any kind of triangles here, but it's open. So this is what n-gons. This thing we should avoid because n-gons are very dangerous to render out. So we need to make it triangles or we need to make it quads. But for this lesson I should avoid triangles, so I will guide you how to convert this area into a quad. Quad means this is a face with 4 edges, and triangles is like we're going to cut here from this point to this point, and it's a triangle, 2 triangles on a quad. Okay, so deleting this one, and now to avoid this n-gon face, click on this area, Control E to extrude like this way, and now hold Shift, press mouse button and go for merge face to center. So it's merged and it's triangles, but we should avoid triangle for this lesson. We should create quad. For that reason, go to edge and select all inner alternative edge point and hold Shift, right click, go for delete edge. Now you will get 1 2 3 4. It's a quad. Okay, so yeah, here also same thing. delete all the alternative edges here, like this, and hold shift, right click, go for delete edge. That's it. So we're having here quads with 4 edges. Select all these edges and go to connect. Now segments increase like this, increase a few more segments to get your edge loops. How to create this one? Go to segment and place your number like 10, 12 or whatever, or just drag on your screen with middle mouse button. Okay, now I'm happy with 6 edges, so it's okay for me. Then press enter or select any key here. Okay, fine. So we are getting this shape right now. Now it's so hard way to make it soft edge. So for that reason, Control B again, bevel, play with fraction area and play with segments area to make it smooth and curve. Now again you will see these points, like it's all angular. Go to object mode and we're having our shape like this. Okay, so at this point go to channel box and you will see translate y is 8.116 and scale x, y, z are something like 7.373. Okay, so one thing you should know that you should make it here 0 overall, 0, and scale should be like 1. That's the default scaling for any prop or character, whatever. You should make it scale 1 and everything should go with 0 value. Okay, for that reason, just go with here freeze transformation. Click once and you will get 0 and 1 value. Next, history. You will see your history is here. Now suppose you are going to create a huge or massive character, a huge character with thousands histories. So your RAM should get affected with that, and to avoid that you should make it history clean. So click on history and you will get free history, and after that you should click on this center pivot. Now what is this? This point is known as pivot point. So center means your point should be on the center of this area of this world. That means this point is the center point. So at right now we are having our point here. So if I'm going to move it, it will move from that area, it will rotate from that area. Now if you are going to press D on your keyboard and hold V or snap to point, then you will drag it or push it down to move it from here. Move your object from that point, rotate your object from that point. So it's all about pivot point. Okay, now way to create this handle here, but unfortunately video is already a long video now, so I need to continue this part on my next video, how to create 3D cup holder. Fine, so stay tuned on my next part and see you soon on there. And before that, please hit like, comment and share for your feedback, for your good ideas. Tell me which part you want to know about more, and if there's any doubt in your mind regarding my tools, regarding anything here, I'm there to solve that. Stay connected. Yes, keep like, subscribe and commenting here. So yeah, see you in my next part. Thank you so much. Goodbye.